Gawin muna nating meme si Carlo. Who's that boy? He's so handsome. He's so handsome. Who's that boy? Oh, he's our boy.
Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back to Tori's channel. But before anything else, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.
And don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and comment down below your favorite milk tea flavor.
NANI?! お前はもう死んでいる。
What's your outfit for today? What's your outfit for today? Bibili kang shoes, di ba? Hi guys, kakain na kami.
NANI?!
For my dates for today, say hi B. She's Krisa, my BFF. This is our food. Thank you, Gongcha.
Huh?
Sponsor. Hoy, kayong dalawa dyan sa likod. Say hi naman dyan, oh. Say hi. Sawadika. Hey. Hey, friends. And what did you get? What's your foods? Wow, special sauce of chicken bob. They also got Okinawa. Ano ko, Karil? Krisa got Okinawa. Tama ba, B? Tapos, ito, B, ano to? Chocolate. Chocoloko. Thank you, Gongcha and Kimbab. Please sponsor us.
NANI?! Oh, hell no!
Sorry, oh my God! Okay, meron po ditong nagaganap na pictorial. Say hi. Plug nyo IG nyo. Hi! Hello, at Bayami!
Guys, follow my IG.
What's yours?
Pinikali.
Wow, Binibini.
Wala, nakalimutan ko.
Ako na nga lang maglalagay. Ako na mag-a-adjust para sa'yo. Behind the scenes of Pictorial, we have Krisa May Katipon, the best photographer in town. And we have Brace Arquiza? Brace? Is that you? Carlo Figueroa Tarona as Brace Arquiza. Kasi nga, sana all Miss Tiza. Patingin nga nung namumula. Miss Tiza. Oh no! Carlo, bakit mo pinapahirapan si Krisa May? So we have here... Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. So today I'm with... Karil Mana! Yes! Please follow her. She has a very nice Instagram feed. She uses Lightroom. Yeah, Lightroom. Instagram username. Banda dito.
Comment down below.
This is also my friend, Krisa May. I'll also put her...
Paano ko ba next?
Ano? Gawin muna nating meme si Carlo.
NANI?!
Who's that boy? He's so handsome. He's so handsome. Who's that boy?
お前はもう死んでいる。
Saan kayo galing dalawa?
Nag-picture.
Ah.
Nag-picture. Paano nag-picture?
Ba't kayo nagpicture? Kayo nagpicture.
Nag-picture. Nag-picture. Nag-picture.
Nagsulo na naman kayo.
Nag-picture.
Yung mata. Nagpicture. We are lost, baby girl. We are lost.
It irritates.
Sino ba yun?
Si Miss Everything.
Ah, si Miss... Oh, si Miss Everything.
Hopefully. Hopefully.
B. Oh, ang pogi naman yan. Carlo, i-upload ko to as behind the scenes ng photoshoot mo. What's your outfit for today? Hoy, ikaw! Kanina ka pa nagpipicture dyan. Nakailang intro na kami. Kamusta naman ang ating dakilang photographer? How are you feeling today? Wow, feeling good. Meron silang kakaibang ginagawa dito eh. Anong gusto nyong gawin?
NANI?!
Sorry, lihim lang po ba ng binablog? Nahuli talaga kami na. Alam niyo na guys kung anong binabalak nila. Malalagot po kayo sa management. Charot! Ano masasabi mo, Karil? Jan Barangan 2020. Luby. Admiring the nature. We're admiring the nature. But this is just a parking lot. Kala nyo mansion, no?
Kapanta.
Oh my God! No!
I love the view. I love the view.
Oh my God, ang kapal mo. You pay for that.
It's so good. It is nice.
Oh my God, sumasakit ang bulsa ko kay Krisa. Ang ginawa lang namin today ay kumain ng bibimbap.
At nag-pictorial si Carlo Figuera
Oo.
tayo.
Siya yung pinakamaraming ano. Tapos ikaw yung napagod. Okay lang yan.
Hindi siya nasa-satisfy sa isa lang.
Kaya ngayon,
Double minutes.
so ngayon, magpipicture pa rin kami. Nakakainis. Charot.
Ha?!
Hi. 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 Ito naman nangunguna yung mga yun, oh. Picture na picture, mga Zay. So, nadulas ka dito?
NANI?!
Wow! Kapal mo, ah. Oo.
What's up guys, we're here at Robinson's Place Antipolo and I will take you to one of the most beautiful places here in Antipolo.
Oh my God! Walang niya
So
ako.
there you have it. Actually on my
Ah.
there's a very famous Antipolo Christmas lightning.
Wow, Christmas lightning ang
lightning.
putik.
And yeah, I'm just so happy to be here. This is actually my first time to go here, but I never.
Oh, ito na. Magpipicture ka na. Labo talaga pag madilim na.
Bye guys.
Bye guys. Thank you for watching.
Don't forget to like
And subscribe. Thank you for watching the vlog. Say bye. Pick pa kayo dyan. Hoy, magbabay nga kayo mga Bea. How are you feeling today?
I'm good because I got a good shot.
Wow!